So today I'm breaking down why two homes that look the same could be priced very differently. I'm Angela Rodriguez, and I want to give you an inside look at how real estate really works in Greenville, South Carolina, so that you don't get catfished by real estate listing photos. You see the listing online, the photos look great, the porch is cute, the price feels right. You've got to have a showing. You get there, and then you walk inside and there's a smell, or there's old carpet, or there's grandma's wallpaper, or there's an outdated kitchen, a bathroom that hasn't been touched since the 1950s. That's the real estate version of someone using a profile pic from 10 years ago. The moral of the story is what's on the inside, the updates, the layout, the maintenance. That's where the true value lives. Two homes can have nearly identical square footage and lot size, but one could sell for $75,000 more. Why is that? Well, here are some of the big differences in pricing. Renovated kitchens with high quality finishes will always pull in a higher sales price than a kitchen that hasn't been updated. Buyers will also pay more for a good layout. Buyers still really love the open concept, modern layout. Is the electrical updated? Is the plumbing updated? These are two things that could be really expensive if they're not updated. And even the staging is important. Is the home staged? Or do the sellers have a lot of style? Buyers are always willing to spend more for homes that look like they could be in magazines. Even though the furniture and the art and the rugs don't stay, it is what attracts buyers to write offers. We call a fresh coat of paint almost like an aphrodisiac. If they can see that it is brand new, they are ready to write an offer. Buyers will pay more for a home that feels loved and move-in ready. Just like in dating, presentation and substance matter. Sellers, don't assume that your house is worth more than what your neighbors sold for just because they look the same from the street. We dig deeper. The updates, the age of the roof, the age of the home, the quality of the construction and the craftsmanship, even smells, that all will impact your pricing in a big way. And buyers, don't fall for these polished online photos. You have to tour the home in person. Ask questions about the age of the electrical and the age of the plumbing and the age of the roof and the age of the HVAC systems, and work with an agent who can see past the surface. I'll help you find the hidden gems and avoid the heartbreakers. I'm Angela Rodriguez over at Encore Realty. I've been selling real estate in the greater Greenville area for over 10 years now. I'd love to be your advisor, whether you're buying or selling. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you've got a catfishing story, please drop it in the comments. We'd love to share it with the rest of our viewers and hear any tips and tricks that you might have to offer as well. I'll see you on the next video.